Hello my mommies, it's your girl Davita Catherine coming back to you with another video. I am coming to you today with the Dollar Tree haul. I did post up a video before about some of the Christmas things that I found, so I just wanted to come back to you guys and show you some of the things that I picked up. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I have like somewhat of like a mini-sized haul for you today. Kind of excited, yeah. So the first thing that I wanted to show you, I'm going to show you the thing that I am most excited about that I found. So I found this. It's the Cake Boss. This is a rolling pin for like embossed fondant for you to like decorate cakes and stuff like that. So the Dollar Tree has them in. I was not able to find all of them, but I am surely on the hunt. So I didn't get these from me because, like I said before, I am not a baker. But I did get this for my partner, who I know would love this. So along with this rolling pin, which they have two more, I got this. Now this is the flower kit. It includes 25 pieces. This is what you get on the inside of it. So I thought this was cool for you to cut flowers and make flowers for cakes out of fondant. So I was very, very excited about that. The next thing I got, which I showed you in that video, I ended up picking up 4 of these wooden charger plates for my kitchen table. I'm going to set it up like a rustic theme, like a rustic glam-ish something. So I was excited about these. And I ended up getting 4. And then I'm probably, before this video comes out, I'm going to post up the video on the new craft section that I did see at Dollar Tree, and I finally found it. It wasn't fully set up to what I have been seeing, but it was a start for Long Island. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I did end up picking up. Like this paint. It's a washable paint, and I got this in white. And then I thought that these little trays were super, super cute. You can DIY. If you have like a little coffee table, you can put this on a coffee table with like a mason jar in it. You can stain this or paint this any way that you want. So I only picked up one because I want to see how it turns out when I do my DIY on it. So I thought that was really, really cool. I ended up getting this X-Acto knives kit. I don't know how good it is, but for $1, it's worth the try. And it comes with like different size blades and things like that in it. So I thought that was really cool. I got paint brushes. Ooh, that's upside down. I got paint brushes. Can you see it? So I thought these were cool. And they had another set with a different size. But I want to try them out, and then if I really, really like them, then I'll go back. And then I just got some cough drops. I'm getting over being sick. And these, oh my goodness, these will knock the cold out of you, I'm telling you. And it says only 2 max, and I understand why. So, So that was it for that bag. And then I got this paint right here. This is also a washable paint. So I thought these were cool. And then, you know, for the amount that you do get in it, I got this. This is an acrylic paint, and I got it in black. I needed some black paint for some DIYs. And I did end up getting this Wet n Wild step 1. Where's step 2? Like, they don't ever have step 2. But I wanted to give this a try. I don't know how well it works, so I'm gonna paint my nails today, and we'll try it out. See how it goes. Okay, so I did say that I was gonna do like a buffalo check theme Christmas in my kitchen. So I started picking up some of the things. So I found these really, really, really cute deck the halls. So I got these. I also did end up picking up the mugs. Love it. This one says comfort and joy. I also got Deck the Halls to match. So this is going around my coffee station. And then I also did end up picking up the I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. So I love, love, love these three. And then last but not least, I ended up picking up, I do the Christmas Village on top of my fireplace TV stand. So what I'll do is I'll insert a video of it or how I set it up. If you want to see how I set it up, just comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. Or just comment setup or something. I don't know. Okay. Well, this is what, these are new pieces. So this is the bakery. And then this is just a house. But this is new to Dollar Tree. They didn't have these last year. Underneath it, right here, is where you put the tea light candles. So I normally get like the tea light candles from Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack for $1. And I get the tea light candles and they fit right underneath. And it looks like the whole house is like lit. So yeah, I got these. I'm going to end up getting like the fake snow and things like that so I can pull it all together. But guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys like this video. If you did like this video, please, 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 please thumbs this video up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you would like to see certain things, just leave it in the comment box below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what DIYs you want to see. And I hope that you guys become a part of the Mommy and family. And if you didn't check out my last video, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. And check out the Walmart walkthrough that we did. They had some really, really dope stuff. My husband was there with me and he had fun recording. And if you guys want to see him in some more videos as well, leave a thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to like, I want to say 500 likes. If I can get 500 likes on this video, that would be such a help, such a big step for me. Love you guys. Bye.